morning. Do appreciate your patience and understanding. We'll get you off the gate just as quick as possible. We do have a team in Detroit that is going to be looking at connections, just in case anyone's in danger of missing any of those connections. Right now, we're pretty good with our time. Pretty quick tailwind from what the captain told me this morning as well, going eastbound. So anytime lost here on the ground, we should be able to make up. Again, thanks for your patience and understanding. We'll get you moving in just a little bit. Thank you.
In the case, the passenger that was having a medical issue has been taken off the airplane to get evaluated. We're going to be underway here in just a few moments on our way to Detroit. Thank you for your patience and bearing with us here. 3 hours and 14 minutes takeoff to landing this morning. We would like to thank you for joining us and welcome aboard.
Opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist and attach it to the buckle.
Pleasure welcome to Detroit, where the local time is 12:35. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your carry-on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign.
Thank you. Thank you, Ster.